Students, as you know, we have completed our second lesson, that is the location and extent, yes, which was the introductory part of general geography of India and Brazil. Now we will be dealing with the physical divisions and drainage system of India and Brazil in the lesson number 3, that is the physiography and drainage. Okay, so this physiography and drainage, it is the part of physical geography. Okay. So first of all, we will see about the what is mean by physiography and what is mean by drainage. So what do you mean by physiography? Yes, physiography, it is the landform, study of landform. Yes, in this it may be mountain, yes, its ranges, plains, plateaus, islands, gulf, deserts, yes, coastal areas, deltas and estuaries. And now coming to the drainage, yes, what do you mean by drainage? Drainage is the river system. Okay. So in this we are going to do the study of that origin, okay, of the rivers, tributaries, its peninsular rivers and different rivers which are meeting to the different seas. Understood? And now we will be going to do some study of some questions based on the physical map of India and Brazil. Okay, so let's start with the map. So before starting with the map, let's have a look on the previous topic about physiography. The subfield of geography that studies physical patterns and processes of the earth. It aims to understand the forces that produce and change rocks, oceans, weather and global flora and fauna patterns. So, physiography. Physiography, as I said earlier, physiography means the study of landform, different type of landforms. So, it consists of mountains, coastal area, islands, plains, estuaries, plateaus, gulfs, desert, etc. So here you can see the different type of pictures of different type of landforms. Now about drainage. Drainage means river system. In drainage system, also known as a river system, are the pattern formed by the streams, rivers and lakes in a particular drainage basin. They are governed by the topography of the land, whether a particular region is dominated by hard or soft rocks and the gradient of the land. So this is the drainage, that is means by river system. So it can be consist of origin of river, peninsular rivers, tributaries, yes, rivers meeting to the seas. Here we can see in the picture about peninsular river, origin of the river, rivers meeting the seas and tributaries, etc. Now we will take some questions based on the physical maps. So let's start with India. Here India physical. See the questions. Question number 1. In which direction does the region with an altitude of more than 6000 meter lie in India? So here it is the altitude scale and this is the 6000 meter in the orangish color. The region with an altitude of more than 6000 meter lie in India towards the north and northeast. Now question number 2. Look for the south flowing rivers in the peninsular region. In which river basin does it lie? Here it is river Vardha and Wainganga are the south flowing rivers in the peninsular region. So these lie in the Godavari river basin. Question number 3. In which direction is the slope of the region in the north shown in dark green? The slope of the region in the north shown in the dark green is towards the east direction. Next question. Make a list of plateaus located in between Aravalli range and Chota Nagpur plateau. So here it is the Aravalli ranges and this is the Chota Nagpur plateau. So plateaus located in between Aravalli ranges and Chota Nagpur plateau are Mewat plateau, Bundelkhand, Bagelkhand and Malwa plateau. Now name the peak shown in the Eastern Ghats. Here it is the Mahendragiri and Malaygiri are the peak shown in this Eastern Ghat. Here it is the Eastern Ghat. Which mountains demarcate the deep plains of Brahmaputra? So here it is the river Brahmaputra, and here Dafla Hills, Naga Hills, Garo, Khasi and Jaintia Hills demarcate the deep plains of Brahmaputra. Now coming to Brazil, what is the range of altitude of Amazon river basin? The range of altitude of Amazon river basin is between 0 meters and 200 meters. Next, between which two highlands is the Amazon river basin located? The Amazon river basin is located between the Guiana highlands and the Brazilian highlands. Next question. Observe the region with the altitude 500 to 1000 meters. Describe the location, extent of this region shown in yellow with reference to direction. The region with the altitude 500 to 1000 meters shown in yellow extends from northeast to southeast direction. Next question. What do the isolated regions shown in yellow indicate? The isolated regions shown in yellow indicate Brazilian highlands. Besides the Amazon river basin, where else do you find regions with an altitude of less than 200 meters? Besides the Amazon river basin, we find regions with the altitude of less than 200 meters at Paraguay river basin and southern region of Pampas. Next question. Describe the plateau region with height of 200 to 500 meters through which tributaries of Amazon flow in your own words. The plateau region with height of 200 to 500 meters through which the tributaries of Amazon flow is located between Amazon river basin and Brazilian highlands. Xingu River and other tributaries of Amazon River flow from this region. So students, we have seen the physical maps of India and Brazil. This physiography and drainage, it affects the climate and human settlements. Now we will see about the major physiographic divisions of India and Brazil. So here about India. These are the five major physiographic regions of India. They are, first one is the Himalayas, second is the North Indian plains, next is the peninsula, next is the coastal plains, and the last one is the island group. Okay, so these are the five major physiographic divisions of India. Now see that Brazil also having the five major physiographic division. So first one is the highlands, next is the Great Escarpment, next is the coastal region, the plains, and the last is the island groups. Okay, so this was about the major physiographic divisions of India and Brazil. In the next video, we will discuss about these major physiographic divisions of India.